Well, I'm driving in my car, and a man comes on the radio, and he's telling me more and more about some useless information, trying to spark my imagination. Yeah, I can't get no. I can't get loose. I can't get loose. I can't get loose. Satisfaction. Well, I'm watching my TV, and a man comes on to tell me how white my shirts can be, but you can't be a man 'cause you don't smoke the same cigarettes as me. I can't get up. I'm doing this, yeah, I'm signing out, and I'm trying to make some girl. Said, baby, better come back later next week, 'cause you know, yeah, you know, I'm gonna leave the street. I can't get no. No, no, no. That's Satisfaction Sonoma Style. Thank you all for listening. We're going to have a quick turnover and get the next group up. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.